Do you want to discover the secret to becoming a magnet for success and happiness? In this video, I will reveal how you can shape your reality as if it were clay, simply by reprogramming your mind. If you have tried to manifest your desires without results, it's time to learn the correct technique. Join me on this transformative journey and discover the power you have to attract everything you long for into your life. Don't miss it. It's understandable that you may be skeptical, dismissing the idea of manifestation as a cluster of superstitious beliefs. Some argue that people achieve their goals solely through effort and dedication, with results based exclusively on their own merits. Others attribute success to mere luck. While these perspectives hold some truth, what if I told you that manifestation has the potential to transform these paradigms? Although hard work and merits play a relevant role, manifestation introduces a different approach. Believing in manifestation doesn't mean completely discarding these notions. On the contrary, it complements your approach by infusing the power of intention and conviction. You're not replacing effort, luck, or merits, you're aligning them with your intentions and your faith in the potential of something greater. Think of it this way. Manifestation empowers you to harmonize your thoughts, desires, and actions with a purpose. It's about visualizing the reality you want and channeling your energy towards its materialization. Instead of outright rejecting it, why not explore this path? What if you embrace the possibility that there's more to your journey than you initially perceived? In this instance, I present to you the concept of brainwashing that manifests in the manifestation process. It encourages you to trust not only an abstract notion but the power of your own mind. Through brainwashing that manifests, you employ various techniques to transform yourself into a new version of yourself, an individual with a renewed perspective and the ability to achieve what you set out to do. If you aspire to free yourself from a harmful habit, here's your tool: brainwashing and reprogramming. Manifestation is not a trivial matter. You can dismiss it as unfounded, or you can take a leap of faith and embrace an innovative approach to life. In doing so, you might realize that manifestation doesn't involve evading reality but enriching it. It's about being diligent while aligning your thoughts and intentions with your goals. It's about reconfiguring your mental schemas and attitude. So, how do we embark on this journey? The answer is simple and easy to follow. Your first step is to reprogram your brain. Yes, you heard that right. The way you perceive yourself and how you approach situations internally and externally plays a crucial role. If you want to transform an aspect of your life, you must replace it with something new. Reprogramming your mind is the first step towards achieving your desires and becoming the person you aspire to be. This process involves eradicating toxic thoughts and limiting beliefs. Remember, manifestation is not a trivial matter. You can dismiss it, or you can embrace it, opening yourself up to a renewed perspective on life. In doing so, you might discover that manifestation is not about evading reality but enriching it. It's about working hard while aligning your thoughts and intentions with your objectives. It's about reconfiguring your mental schemas and attitude. Let's suppose you want to overcome a harmful habit, whether it's procrastination, excessive alcohol consumption, or any behavior you long to eradicate. To illustrate this point, let's focus on alcoholism. So, how can you reprogram your mind? Well, there are various methods. An effective approach that yielded results for one of my clients was immersing herself in podcasts focused on alcoholism. These episodes shed light on the harmful effects of alcohol on health, especially on the brain. Gradually, she established a routine of listening to these podcasts daily. The information she absorbed imbued her mind with awareness of the damage caused by alcoholism. As a result, she eventually stopped drinking altogether. Although she used to feel tempted to drink with friends, that urge faded away. The podcasts played a fundamental role in reshaping her perspective. They helped her internalize the conviction that alcohol was detrimental in all aspects of her life. She learned to find happiness and have fun without resorting to drinking. If your goal is to reconfigure your brain and transform your thought patterns, engaging with podcasts and immersing yourself in reading books is highly effective. These resources act as tools to reprogram your mind, facilitating the process of discarding unwanted habits and adopting new and constructive ones. Another method of manifestation comes into play when you may not fully believe in what you can achieve. Often, self-doubt or stress hinders our ability to manifest. It's crucial to understand that while believing in the manifestation process is important, it's not essential to absolutely believe in every specific outcome. Instead, you choose to adopt the identity of the person who has achieved what you desire. For example, if your goal is to become a millionaire, you embody that identity and believe that you already possess wealth. You trust the process without obsessing over the logistical details of what, when, and how. Through the law of assumption, you pave the way for the materialization of your goals. If you want to delve deeper into the topic of manifesting without absolute belief, I invite you to check out my previous video on the subject. You'll find the link in the description below. Remember to reflect on past achievements that initially seemed unattainable. Remind yourself that you are capable and that you will achieve what you set out to do. Neutralize any negative feelings or resistance you may harbor towards the realization of your dreams. The key lies in reprogramming any limiting thoughts that hinder the path to your aspirations. When you manifest effectively, you will receive everything you long for. By reprogramming old mentalities and thought patterns, you will gradually build confidence in yourself, in the power of the universe, and in your dreams. In short, transform your reality by purifying your mind of those limiting thoughts. If there were no barriers in life, what would be your most cherished dream? Contemplate it. Visualize yourself living it. Harmonize your vibrations and energy with the universe and watch the magic unfold. The key lies in letting go of everything that holds you back. Free yourself from any beliefs that don't propel you forward and dare to dream big. Retrain your brain to embrace positivity and observe how you evolve over time. Immerse yourself in self-help literature and inspiring podcasts. Allow only positive and uplifting thoughts to flood your mind. Convince yourself that you are already the person you aspire to be. Discard limiting beliefs and have an unwavering faith in the power of the universe. Live each moment as the person you long to be. Think, act, and believe like that person, and you will reach your destination at the right time. Remember, the power to shape your reality resides within you. Embrace manifestation, reprogram your mind, and prepare to live the life of your dreams.